Firstly, I would like to, on the lighter side, I'll give you an example. When I was a lieutenant, I was posted in Nagrota. Those times, they never used to send us to the post all alone.
Nagrota is in Jammu and Kashmir, by the way.
Yeah.
For those of you who don't know.
And especially during that hijack when he was kept in that jail in Nagrota, that militant, if you remember this. So it was a high alert. When I landed there, it was 10 days of my service, 10 or 15 days. So you're supposed to be under study of some officer. So there was one officer, he was an adjutant. He told me, listen, you be ready, patrol is going to come, and you have to check it. This was the order. As a soldier, as an officer, I've been trained, I just came out of the academy. So when you say patrol, it's a patrolling, right? So I went to the room, just brushed up my knowledge again, and I told them, I'm ready for patrolling. So I went to the Charlie Hill in the evening, did all my patrolling, but I didn't know what happened at the back. They were searching me where I am. Because the order not for the patrolling, the order to check the petrol and diesel in the tank. Right? So when I came, I got all bullshit. Blah, 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 blah. Where were you? I said, sir, I'd gone for patrolling. You're not supposed to go for patrolling. No officer went there. I said, sir, I would like to explore. And then the adjutant told me, CEO will call you now. Be ready. I said, I was shivering because I was left in 10 days of service,
Yeah.
What wrong I have done? And I was quite excited.